Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by minimizing data loss. Save open documents and close Word. Once done, verify your Office account is signed in and Windows Update shows no pending restarts. Then open Settings or Control Panel, find Microsoft Office, and run Quick Repair first. It fixes common file and registry issues quickly without reinstalling. If Quick Repair finishes but problems persist, move on to Online Repair. These steps address most corruption and configuration errors while keeping your custom templates intact. If Quick Repair didn't resolve the problem, use Online Repair. It reinstalls Office core files and replaces corrupted components. Next, start Word in safe mode to bypass add-ins. Disable suspect add-ins one at a time to isolate the culprit. Reset the normal .m template to clear template corruption, because a bad template often causes crashes or odd formatting. Finally, create a new Windows user profile and test Word there to determine whether the issue is system-wide or limited to your user data. After isolating the cause, reinstall Office as a last resort. Make sure you back up normal. .m, custom templates and macros first so you can restore settings. Once reinstalled, sign into your Office account and sync preferences. This prevents configuration drift. If the problem persists, collect event logs and Word crash reports, note exact error messages, and run the Microsoft Support diagnostic tool so technicians can triage faster. Troubleshooting tip: if Word crashes on a specific document, copy contents into a new.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.